As the year draws to a close, it's the ideal moment to reflect on our financial goals. How did we go at achieving the goals we set for ourselves this year? What do we want to achieve next year? This season is traditionally linked with setting new goals, and we have already emphasized the importance of integrating goals into our financial journey. Welcome to Forever Finance, the channel dedicated to equipping you with the knowledge to make informed decisions on your path to financial success. Let's take a look at some of the specific financial objectives for the coming year, providing you with a robust foundation for financial success. Stick around until the end of the video, where I will talk about some of the goals that I've set for myself. And please remember, nothing that I say in this video is considered financial advice. Our first goal revolves around gaining an increased understanding of where your spending and saving habits are through the diligent use of a budget. We already know that a budget is a fundamental piece to the start of any financial journey. In an era where expenses are constantly rising, it is more critical than ever to have a clear picture of where your money is going. A budget acts as your financial roadmap, guiding you towards stability and success. By tracking your income and your expenditures, you can pinpoint areas for improvement and allocate resources more effectively. We should always make sure that we aim to look at our budget throughout the year. It should never be a set and forget event. This goal sets the stage for making informed financial decisions throughout the year, ensuring financial well-being. Moving on to a goal that marks a significant milestone in any financial journey, the reduction or elimination of consumer debt. High-interest debts can not only weigh heavily on your financial health, but can also have an impact on your psychological and physical health as well. Having this debt from a credit card or a buy now, pay later app can make you feel like you're going backwards. Seeing those bills come in each month with increased interest on them is difficult to take. Achieving this goal not only liberates funds within your budget, but also provides you with a profound sense of financial relief. This increased available funds, combined with a sense of financial relief, removes significant amounts of stress from our lives. Reducing stress has been shown to have many psychological benefits, but it has also been shown to have physical benefits as well, such as improving the quality of our sleep, which is often a missed opportunity when discussing personal finances. Taking control of your debt is a foundational step towards the journey of financial well-being. Another powerful goal involves venturing into the world of side hustles or starting a business. In our technologically advanced era, creating additional income streams has never been more accessible. Recent studies have shown that high-worth people have on average 5 to 7 different income streams. By increasing the number of income streams, you are increasing your opportunity to take advantage of opportunities when they arrive throughout our financial journey. You can also access the amazing world of passive income. There is something that is very satisfying about earning money while you sleep or see family and friends. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or launching an online business, diversifying your income sources is vital for achieving financial stability. This goal not only broadens your financial horizons, but also encourages a mindset of entrepreneurship. Now, let's delve into the transformative financial goal that is often underestimated, the pursuit of learning a new skill. Investing in yourself is arguably one of the most critical investments you will ever make. It's a commitment to personal growth and a pathway to unlocking doors that leads to positions and careers you might have deemed not possible. The beauty of upskilling lies in its potential to redefine your professional trajectory. As you acquire new skills, you become more of a valuable asset in the job market. Employers increasingly seek individuals with a diverse skill set, and by investing time and effort into learning, you position yourself as a candidate with a broader range of capabilities. Imagine this example. By acquiring a new skill, you open yourself up to opportunities for positions that might come with higher levels of income, job satisfaction, and overall career fulfillment. Upskilling not only enhances your employability, but also empowers you to take charge of your financial journey. The best part? Learning a new skill doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. There is an abundance of free online and TAFE programs available, catering to a wide array of interests and industries. Whether you're looking to improve your technical skills, enhance your creativity, or dive into a completely new field, these resources make upskilling accessible to everyone. By setting a goal to learn a new skill, you're not just adding a line to your resume, you're investing in your potential. expanding your horizons, and increasing the odds of achieving your financial goals. It's a dynamic step towards a future where your skill set aligns seamlessly with the opportunities that you desire. Now, let's explore another crucial financial goal that might not be on everyone's radar, but it can hold immense value in reshaping our financial mindset, and that is setting a goal to calculate and improve your net worth. Net worth is a holistic measure of your financial health, providing a snapshot of your financial standing by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. While this number may not be the primary focus for many, incorporating into your financial goals can be a game changer. Understanding your net worth forces you to confront both sides of your financial equation. On one hand, it prompts a critical examination of your liabilities, those financial obligations that might be dragging you down. Whether it's outstanding debts, loans, or other financial burdens, acknowledging and strategically addressing these liabilities becomes essential. Setting the goal to reduce or eliminate these liabilities can alleviate financial stress and free up resources for wealth-building activities. On the flip side, calculating your net worth sheds light on your current assets, the possessions and investments that contribute positively to your financial standing. This prompts a shift in perspective, encouraging you to explore avenues to acquire more assets. It might involve optimizing your investment portfolio, exploring new investment opportunities, or even focusing on personal development to increase your income earning potentials. By setting a goal to actively calculate and improve your net worth, you embark on a journey of overall financial awareness. It's not just about the numbers, it's about adopting the mindset that values both financial responsibilities and wealth creation. This goal prompts you to reassess your financial decisions, aligning them with a trajectory that not only addresses existing financial challenges, but propels you towards the future financial abundance. Incorporating net worth into your financial goals isn't about comparison, it's about progression. It's a tool that allows you to track your financial growth, celebrate your financial achievements, and strategize your continuous improvement. Remember, the journey to financial success is multifaceted, and every financial goal that you set contributes towards achieving your financial goal. Before we wrap up, allow me to share some of my personal financial goals for the upcoming year. Recently, I've been promoted at work, leading to an increase in income. One of my goals is to stabilize myself in this new role, ensuring a smooth transition and contributing positively towards the organization. The additional income will be strategically used to increase my emergency fund, providing a safety net for unexpected expenses or emergencies. By stabilizing my work life, I can also develop better routines that will allow me to commit more time and effort to other activities that will help me to achieve my financial journey goals. Another goal that I have set for myself is to diversify my investments by venturing into some new asset classes. This diversity will help protect my portfolio against the forecasted market volatility throughout 2024, but it also aligns with my overarching goal of growing wealth over time. Lastly, I have a goal to develop my side business further. As the size and scale of the business grows, so too does the need for more efficient systems. Implementing these systems will continue to contribute to the growth and success of my side business. Each of these personal goals aligns with principles that we've discussed, emphasizing the importance for stability, diversification, and ongoing personal and professional development. But more importantly, they align with the goals that I have set for myself at the end of my financial journey. By setting clear, achievable goals and staying disciplined, you can transform your financial journey. Always remember, financial success is well within your reach, and with the right knowledge and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Forever Finance to stay updated with more valuable content. Please consider liking this video to help it reach more people. If you have any topics you would like to see us cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you all next time on Forever Finance.